I'm wondering if one can pour on boxes like this without this warping so much that it becomes really messy. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to turn this box into a little, some kind of treasure box, maybe a little gift for somebody coming up. Maybe another little art kit, I don't know. So it's a box that had a puzzle in it, and I got it for, I think it was half price and normally 99 cents at Goodwill. And so a whole 50 cents worth of box here. I need to cover this area, and this area, and not mess up this other area or the inside. So that's gonna require a bunch of taping. So let me get started on that and I'll be back in a minute. All right, I don't wanna tape everything because I'm lazy. So let's see if we can wrap it up. I'm gonna have to put something here, maybe. This might be a terrible failure in the end, or it might work. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to tape that edge. I'll be back. But if I do that and the paint slips inside, it'll make a mess. So I need some way to make that not happen. Okay, all right, is everything covered there and there and there and there? That should work. I'm gonna try to pour paint just on the top. Let it run down the sides. My paint has, my glue mix for these projects has a little bit more glue in it than normally. Normally I have a pouring medium that is made with 60% glue and 40% water, or approximately that. For these pouring on objects that are not totally flat, like the frames and things, I'm using a mixture of 70% glue and 30% water. That's my pouring medium. And then when I get ready to mix up the paint, I'm using 50% of the pouring medium, about 25% of paint, and about 25% of Floetrol. And that's what we're gonna go with. All right, let's see what happens. I'm a little bit worried that this will, because it's basically cardboard. It's a nice strong cardboard, but it is cardboard. So I don't know if it will warp and be destroyed in this process, but hey, it's a 50-cent box, so I'm not gonna care too much. I'm gonna limit my colors because this is a very small box and it is an experiment. We're gonna go with some blue. Yellow. Black. And if I have any, I think there's a little bit of white left in here. White. That should be enough. Do I need gloves? Yes, because I have a bunch of stuff to do today. And oh, it's awful when you run around town with your hands all covered in paint. And looks like you've got dirty hands when you don't. idea what I'm gonna do with this box once I get it painted. I kind of want to just make another little art kit or something. All right, what's gonna happen here? Ooh, that's pretty. It looks like a little pansy. Isn't that pretty? But here we go. Where's the black? There it is. All right, I'm gonna use the heat gun to blow this around just a little bit, and then I'm not even gonna pick it up today. I'm gonna let it dry as is because I have a feeling I will ruin it if I pick it up. All right, since I like it, I should stop, but I'm not real sure about this cell action over there, so let's take some of that off. Or maybe, oh, I don't know what to do. Do I want to tilt it? I think I do. Let's get some of the paint off, and the reason I think I should do this is I think I have too much paint on there for this to dry okay without buckling and being, still don't like that cell action right in the middle, but let's get some of the paint off, and then maybe I'll use the heat gun a little bit to see what I can do with that. It's gonna make cells whether I want them or not, so and I don't want to mess with this anymore because I do like it. Let's make it level. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll see what happens. That was fun. All right, bye.